Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You've seen the title of the video, Territory. See you later. So yes, it's true. The Territory is going. Made a deal to do a deal with it, and basically we're upgrading to something else. Well, some may call it an upgrade, some may not, but yes, the Territory is on its way out, and we do have another project incoming. So the channel's been quiet for the last month or so. That's much the reason why, and why I've been holding back on doing the nitrous on the Territory. But on that note, the next car we're getting, we're still doing the nitrous. So that project, the nitrous project, is still happening. We're still moving forward with that, just not on the Territory. I can give you a couple of clues about what the next car is going to be. It's got more power, and it's still a Ford. That's pretty much all you get. It's going to be a bit of a project, but it will suit what I've been talking about doing with doing hill climbs and other events and stuff like that. Because yeah, this is still the family wagon, but I've upgraded the missus car over there. Too lovely. So we can do other trips in that, and I don't have to rely on the Territory anymore to do all the family stuff. So we can go with something that can go around a corner a little bit better. But we've had our fun with this car. We've put a digital dash in it. We've tuned it, tuned the gearbox, raised the rev limiter, had a bit of fun with the engine bay, extractors, full exhaust, throttle body relocation, custom air intake, a few little bits and bobs. But overall, if you guys remember how I got this car, dead stock, paint fade, everything like that, it's come a long way. And the best bit is, the person that this car is going to, we'll probably be able to see it back on the channel. We might even be able to see it go down the drag strip in its current form. So in the next few videos coming up, we're going to go on a road trip to drop this off to the new owner, and we're going to go pick up the new car. So it'll be last road trip in the old Territory, and then we'll get introduced to the next project car. But I thought I'd let you guys know, just because I know some of you guys were excited for me to see me nitrous the big girl, but we're still going to get to do that anyway, and we're still rocking a Ford, so it's all good. I think most of you will be pretty happy with the choice of car that we're going for next. But I know I am. But I definitely did love the Territory. It's so practical. It's, you know, it's got a barra in it. Sounds good, looks good. It's been a good car, been a good project. So sorry to you guys, the ones who actually wanted to see it go on with this. But, you know, if an opportunity comes up that you got to take, you got to do it. Whether you have to finish a project or not. But the way I see it is, this thing is a whole lot better than when I got it. And now all I've got to really do is I'm going to clean it up for the next owner, do the interior, you know, hit the outside, do a few things on it, and we'll go get our new project. And before we go, on a more somber note, some of you longer watchers of the channel will remember the Pulsar that we put nitrous on. Unfortunately, it got into a crash. It is now written off, as you can see in the picture here. So I'll chuck some footage at the end of that car, a bit of a rest in peace to that one, and I'll see you later to the Territory. So thanks for listening, guys. We got some new things to look forward to, another project to come on the channel. So until the next one, see you later.